Assalamu alaikum. Today I will discuss about garments vocabulary fifth with chest. We let's get started. Buyer meeting, order confirmation, purchase order, LC letter of credit, commercial invoice, packing list, bill of lading, পণ্য পরিবহন রসিদ, forwarder, freight, FOB, cost instrument freight, EXW, X worker, port, customer, clearance, export, import, documentation, compliance audit, third party inspection, lab test, color fastness, GSM test, shrink test, tensile strength, peeling, abrasion, wash care, care level, brand level, hand check, poly ratio, inner cartoon, master cartoon, cartoon marking, barcode scan, loading, container, chamfering, seal, dispose, transit, delay, on time delivery, late shipment, claim, compensation, return, রিপ্লেসমেন্ট। এভাবে প্রতিদিন আমি 50টা করে নতুন নতুন শব্দ শিখি। আপনারা শিখছেন তো? ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।